Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, I taught you ways to find a productive, focused, and cozy spot in your house to write, just like you would have at school. Today, I want to talk to you about things you could do at home when you get stuck on your writing. Now, let me tell you something, writers. All writers get stuck. Kid writers, grown-up writers, authors of books, writers get stuck. It happens. It's okay. Today I want to teach you ways that you could get unstuck, that you can figure out what to write about all on your own, without asking your mom or your dad or your brother or sister. Ways that you could get unstuck all by yourself. Now, think back to when we were in the classroom doing writing workshop. When you wrote there, if you had a question, you might have said, Miss Katie, I don't know what to do. Miss Molly, what do I write about? Miss Jordan, Miss Julia, Miss Rachel, what do I do? And your teacher probably told you to go check a chart in the classroom. Is that what your teacher would have said to do? Yeah, I know I told my class to do that a lot. Except now you're in your house at home. You don't have any charts. Well, we need to get a little bit creative here. I want to show you some ways today that you could get charts or make charts and even hang them up in your writing area to help you know what to write about. Here are some charts that we've done in this unit so far. Charts that I have. I have a chart about problems that kids face when they are writing. I've come up with different ideas so that if I don't know what to write, I can just check this chart of problems, pull off a Post-it, and I'll know what to make my piece about. That's one chart I have. If you don't have this chart, you could write it, make one yourself. I also have this chart over here to help me plan my realistic fiction pieces. This chart that talks about the beginning of your book, where your problem starts, how it gets worse, how it's solved, and the ending and the lesson. This is another chart. And of course, I have printed off my word wall. You can find this on the Weebly site under writing resources, and you could print this out to have near you. If I have these charts with me, I could look at these for an idea. I don't need to ask a grown-up. You might even want to get some tape and tape these up in the wall, like in your writing area at home, just like we would have at school. Today, I want to show you a new chart that we can use to help plan our pieces. This chart says, let's storytell. It has a spot for the who, the where, the what, and the how of the story. Click the next video and I'll show you how you can use this to help you plan your pieces all by yourself.